I have Cloth and Paper's July subscription box here, and I will be unboxing that in today's video. So if you like to see all the goodies in here, keep watching. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy your time here with me today. Just a reminder, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell when you do. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. I have to tell you, I pretty much know what's in here because, ooh, that's a squeaky box, because I was really curious and I was watching a friend's unboxing, so I just have to disclose that to you. But I'm always super excited to get my subscription box, and I love the inside. It says there is luxury in simplicity. All right, the subscription box that I get is just the planner subscription. They do have other subscription boxes available. You can either get just like the pen subscription one, or you can get both. So this box is designed to have both in here if you choose to get that subscription. So this little section right here is just saying that this is where you could be receiving exclusive items each month as a Penscription subscriber. So that is what that is there. The card here is going to be the what's inside card, telling you everything that's in here, and of course all of the pictures to go along with it. All right, so let me take this out here. This is just kind of keeping everything nice and secure. Ooh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Oh my goodness, it always looks so much better in person. I don't know, I cannot stress that enough, but wow. Ooh, all right, so I'm gonna scoop everything out and unwrap everything like I usually do, and then I will go through it with you in detail. I will be right back. I know that this particular box is going to be geared more towards the creative person. So let's go ahead and see all of the items that they have here for us. All right, to start off with, there is a clear storyboard cover. When it comes to the creative process, we know the first draft usually isn't the last. Our clear storyboard cover was designed with moving ideas in mind, built to fit our Eclipse sticky notes perfectly. Flush out your best ideas from start to finish. So here are the ellipse sticky notes, and these are going to work with this storyboard cover. Now it's a clear cover, but it's also got white ink on here, so I'm hoping you can see that pretty well. I almost want to take the light off, but I try to do that and it's like everything's like way too dark. So it does have these lips, like circles here, and you can write things down. It's got the storyboard, project name, date at the top here, and then here are the sticky notes. All right, so let's take a look at these. There's 3 different sizes. There's 25 of each, and I'm just trying to see if these are transparent, but no, these are not transparent. Oh, I really like them. But they also have like a gloss to them. So you definitely need to use the right pen on here, because the material is similar to your transparent stickies, which of course, I feel like they're like, there's 2 of them here, which of course are, you know, you need a specific pen, otherwise you will go ahead and smear anything that you write on there. So I do like the colors. They are very neutral, with obviously the exception of this green here, but obviously you could take these, and I'm sure this bigger one fits probably like right in there. Oh yeah, sort of. And I'm assuming they have the different sizes, maybe because of the different sizes of the planners, because obviously the smaller planner you have, then the smaller size you're going to need of these sticky notes. I have the classic size, so that's probably the largest one that they offer. So that gives you like a little bit of an idea as well. So you can go ahead and write your thoughts out there, or like move things around depending on, you know, what you are planning. So I'm going to put that to the side. All right, so the next thing I have here is Hustle Icon Sticker Set. And take these out. I love this design. They're icon stickers, so there are 4 sheets. So let's take a look at each one of them. I'm gonna turn that over. So there's like, kind of like, gives you the idea of everything that's in here. So we've got like a timer, it looks like a journaling or planning, looks like probably texting, a camera. So like if you need to take pictures, there's, looks like a, what is that? Like a calendar, maybe for scheduling, the little letter for emails, your computer screen, maybe for just work or editing, your P for Pinterest. We've got the icon for Instagram, and then the icon for Facebook. So I really like these. These are really cute. This is actually going to come in handy for me for when I'm doing all of the things that I need to do for my social media planning. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the other stickers, because there's 3 other pages, and I'm going to use the back side here. Let me move this to the side so things are not in the way. And this says collab, post, edit, schedule, approved, and deadline. I love those. I could definitely use that. All right, so let's see the next ones that we have here. We have some shapes. So we've got some circles, and then the same thing to match that, like a lipsticky note in that color scheme. The only thing I'm not seeing is like, actually the color scheme is a little bit different, which kind of makes sense because these are transparent. So you obviously want to be able to see through these. And then there's actually 2 sheets of the same thing there. So these are really cute. I like them. Now we have a red editing pen, and it's just that, it's a red pen. It looks like it's a really fine point, which I like that. I don't really want to take this off because I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this, and I would hate to like dry it out if I decide to like pass it on to somebody else. Then we have a creative planning bundle. All right, so this is a pretty big bundle here, and I want to go through this. So let's flip through these pages here. Good things happen to those who hustle. All right, and then on the back, it tells us like what the bundle actually is. Sometimes they do have like a tutorial on how to use this, but they don't have anything on the back of that. So let's just go ahead and look through it and see what's all inside here. So you can put a name, a description, contact, and a budget, issue date, due date. Any notes can go in here, and then ideas. Let's see, is that like the whole thing? It's not the whole thing, but it's definitely quite a few pages here. So that's all of that. And then we go into another section, which has a line grid here. We're going to open this up, and we have a monthly overview. All right, so this is pretty nice because you can go ahead and you'd obviously have to fill in your dates in here and whatever month, so it's undated. And then any campaigns, the topic, the media, and the time frame. So this is really nice. So if you are an affiliate for somebody and you know that they are having a sale, or there's just lots of things going on, you can go ahead and fill this out and then create all of your notes on the side here for whatever company you might need to go ahead and promote. So I like these pages. These actually will be very useful for me. And it's, let's see. Oh, it looks like it's just one here. All right, I'm trying to figure out this bundle here. And then the next thing we have here is a projects page, which looked similar to the first page, but it's not. So we've got projects, focus, and then time frame. So you can do like one project there, another project there, and let's see. And that actually concludes the bundle. So I really like this page a lot. I thought it was kind of weird that it was like in the middle of the bundle because it's really easy to overlook. But so there's 3 things in this bundle, but I like it. Very useful inserts. All right, now we have a creative overview insert, and again, it's labeled on the back. Let's see, it's a half page, but there's nothing on the back there. So let's see. So this is the half page. It's a creative overview, important dates that you need to remember, and then this is like a habit tracker, really, because it's got the days of the week here and a column where you can go ahead and write in things, and I'm assuming that this is all the same here, which would make sense. All right, the next thing we have here is an everyday pencil pouch. Now this is a big pencil pouch. Like this is the length of, actually, yeah, it's the length of the HP Classic size. So that's pretty big. It's got a zipper, which I always like that. And then it's the same color on the inside. And the material is like a nylon, which is nice. So, you know, if it does get wet, your items inside are not going to get wet. So it's nicely lined in here. And then it's got cloth and paper. Honestly, I probably won't use this because this is definitely not my color, but pass that on to somebody that I know can use it. My husband actually might like that, but it's a nice quality, that's for sure. Now we have Brainstorm sticky note, and that is this right here. And it says it's matte. Now it's saying it's the same thing as this one here, which is matte. So, but it feels like that translucent material. So I don't know. I mean, I like to use gel pens, so I can't imagine a gel pen working on this, but I like the material. It's really nice, actually. Okay, so it is 3 by 3 inches. It's got 50 sheets in here. They're usually very generous with their accessories, and it's Brainstorm. So this one's got new ideas, current thoughts, important tasks, and on hold. And then it does have a little section there for the date. So I like it. I like the way they feel. All right, so now we have our journaling cards. There are 3 of them here, and we've got our month of September in here. We always get a month in advance, so that way we have it in plenty of time. And then we have a creative thinking journaling card here. So problem, create choices, solution, make choices. Or makes. That is really small. I'm sorry, but like, yeah, it's just a little small for me to see, especially from this like angle here. Diverge, converge, and then it does have some more information at the bottom. Again, I'm not going to even try to read it because I'm probably going to stumble all over it. And then this card right here is the abundance. It's a matte card, and abundance comes from within. It comes from thought, intention, attention, and expectation. A flow of happiness and abundance will manifest when you have reached the deepest level of self. All right, that is pretty. I like the aesthetic of it, that's for sure. And the last thing I have here to share with you is the new insert that they are coming out with for 2023. And as a subscription member, they do include new products that are going to be coming up. So this one is a vertical weekly layout. It is a Sunday start. So if you like those Sunday starts, you would like that. So we have gotten already a few of these. I think last month we got like 2 months worth. So it's got this nice dashboard to start off with. It has the like kind of like a month overview page here, and then it goes into the monthly layout, which is definitely redesigned. And of course it's for 2022. It's for September, but like I said, it is really a preview of what they are going to be releasing come 2023. So it does have important dates down here, notes, and then a sidebar. And then it does have the month before and the month after at a glance there. And then here is the new, it's not necessarily a new layout, although it is new because it has like different font. It seems a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. I do like this over here on the side, and they are now highlighting whatever week you are in, which is kind of a nice little feature because quite honestly, this month at a glance on every weekly page is something I never look at. Honestly, I never ever look at that. But maybe by having the week that you're currently in circled is definitely a nice way for you to utilize that. I don't know. Who knows if I would actually still use it, but it's their vertical layout and a Sunday start. So it goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we have the whole month of September here, which is nice. And we will continue to receive a monthly layout till the end of the year. So if you are not a subscriber, you might want to subscribe if you want to try some new products. That's the advantage of being a subscriber with Cloth and Paper, because they do debut the newest products to you. You always get to see and use the new products before they release them to everyone else. All right, so here it is, the Cloth and Paper July subscription box. I love the accessories. I always love the accessories. I don't know, I think it's my favorite thing that I get in this box, and that's, I don't know, is that crazy? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think. What is your favorite part when you get a subscription box? And I love this box. I've been getting it for a while. It's definitely a great deal for what you get, and I really do love the paper. I'm excited about these inserts. I think I could use these inserts, which is really nice, and I'm actually glad that I got them in this size because that's the size of my social media planner that I use. But I am kind of thinking I might get a different size. So the nice thing is that you can always adjust whatever size that you want to get. I'm not sure if you can do that every month or you can do that only so many times. I don't know the details of that. I know that they do have a couple of different options with the subscription because they do have that penscription available. So you can get just like a subscription to their pens, or you could get like the planner items like what I get, or I think they have a third option where you can get like everything. So I just like this. It works out really well for me. I don't need that many pens. I already have plenty of pens. And of course, in particular, like we all are with our pens. So it's nice to try new things when they send in like, you know, one pen in the box, that type of thing. I'm okay with that. So if you liked this unboxing, please remember to hit the like down below. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not done so already, and hit that bell when you do, and drop me a comment. Let me know, do you love the accessories? What's your favorite part of the subscription box? And specifically this one here today. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.